Hi, I'm Lucas.
And I'm Nathan.
And welcome to Today on the Green.
What's happening today?
Well, nothing really happened today, but the UC workshops are coming up. More on that with Alexa.
Hey Bearcats! Our UC workshops are available in the library today and Thursday from 3:30 to 5 p.m. All seniors at Bonita are welcome to come and use the time to fill out their applications. There's enough time to even finish the whole application. Counselors and teachers are available for any help needed. Now back to the studio.
Thanks, Alexa.
It's Monday, which means it's time for Roxy Reviews.
Hi, I'm Roxy.
And I'm Roxy.
And welcome to
Roxy Reviews.
So for today's review for school lunch, I happened to get a chicken salad.
And I got this. I haven't seen it before.
No, yeah, I've never seen that.
Yeah, I've never seen this before, but I'm excited.
Honestly, it looks really, interesting. It doesn't look bad.
Yeah.
What is it?
So it looks like there's like a meat stick in here. Beef stick. Okay. A juice, 100% juice punch. Actually, I'm kind of looking forward to that. Cheez-Its. These are educational. Oh man, I like the ones with the presidents on them, but they're avocados and like fruits and stuff. Then I have raisins, and then more single-use plastics. Not cool. And then sunflower kernels. So I'm actually excited.
Honestly, that looks like a lot. This, I think the only thing they gave me is a chocolate chip muffin.
Yeah. Oh, you got some cheese on your phone.
Anyway.
Okay.
Okay. Let's just feast. Let's just dig in.
You should do the teacher thing where like. Can I? Everybody knows Cheez-Its. Everybody loves Cheez-Its.
Oh yeah.
You want one?
Yes.
Ooh.
The whole grain.
They're whole grain, and then what happened to the junk food? Okay, so this lunch more like a snack pack, right?
No,
so
yeah, it's giving snack.
It's giving snack pack. Okay, so I think this is this is okay. I give this a 7 out of 10.
Awesome. That looks.
But look at all this plastic. Like they give it. They're like, pick up your trash, but then they give us all the single-use plastics. Like, I thought I needed a spork, but this was already in it. So why can't we stop using single-use plastics? Thank you.
Period. So, moral of this review, the stuff that the cafeteria makes, awesome sauce, but the packaged stuff,
Meh. Meh.
Not really a fan of.
Yeah.
Well, that concludes this week's episode of Roxy Reviews. Come back next week to see what Roxy reviews.
Thanks, Roxy.
I could really go for a snack pack.
What's a snack pack? Oh, I gotta go.
That concludes today's episode of Today on the Green. Come back next time to see Today on the Green tomorrow.